Welcome back again with our first part of the SBL paper, the effective leadership, and our third topic today will be about reporting to stakeholders. Let us try to highlight some important points of this topic. What are the institutional investors? They are a company or organization that invests money on behalf of other people. Also, agents employed on the investor's behalf. Disclosure as general principles. Do you know what is the AGM, or the annual general meeting? It's a yearly gathering between the shareholders and the board of directors. And for the concept of transparency, the market's conditions should be clear and well understood, for example the financial situation, future plan, etc. The corporate governance is the system by which companies are directed and controlled. That will highlight the need for transparency and disclosure, and to avoid agency problems. What about the agency problems? Managers are required to act in the best interests of shareholders but may in practice act in their own best interests if they can. Another concept is the shareholder activism. It's a way that shareholders can influence a corporation's behavior by exercising their rights as partial owners. Now the disclosure as best practice. The European Union, that based on comply or explain. On the other hand, for UK it is based on listing rules. There is also the OECD principles. The corporate governance statement, for example, includes voluntary and mandatory disclosures. For example, the names, chairman, CEO, independent director, etc. What about the general meetings? And the difference between the AGM and OGM. Another important topic is the integrated reporting that help on taking more sustainable decisions. Also, the characteristic elements of the category of capital. Now it's time for exam practicing, with question 2 in December 2018. The question asks to assess the role and benefits of the integrated reporting, especially in assisting effective communication and in building relationship with the key stakeholders. Please try to read the case scenario, then take into consideration the following points. The role of integrated reporting can encourage improving relationships with stakeholders and to improve quality of information that available to stakeholders. Also, help build long-term relationships. Don't forget to highlight the other key stakeholders in the case scenario, for example employees and local community. There are a lot of benefits of integrated reporting. For example, improving relationship with investors. The strategy and long-term outlook. The greater understanding of use and dependence on resources and capitals. Supporting the decision-making. And so on. Now, would you like a PDF copy of this video? So, you can read and print it. Just hit like for this video and write your email on the comments. I will try to send you a soft copy. For more discussion on this topic and other topics, please visit my LinkedIn page. Goodbye.